My name is Garrett Sutton, and we're going to be talking about asset protection. This is what you need to know as you build your businesses, invest in real estate. As you grow your assets, you need to protect them at the same time. The charging order is available through LLCs in strong states, LPs in strong states, and the charging order says if someone sues the individual owner of the LLC, all they're entitled to is a lien on distributions. All they're entitled to are distributions that may come from the LLC. If no distributions are made, the person is waiting to get paid. Attorneys take these cases on contingency fees, meaning they get a percentage of what's collected, but they don't get anything if nothing is collected. So attorneys, being rational economic animals, do not like to take cases where they have to wait to get paid, or there's a situation where they may never get paid. So we like the charging order in a strong state to deter people from coming after us. You don't have that with a corporation. The corporation, you can reach the shares in a court of law. You get in a car wreck with Joe. Joe owns 100% of a corporation that's doing quite well. You can reach those shares. If you get control of Joe's shares, which you can, there's no charging order to prevent that. If you get Joe's shares, you control the company. You could sell all the assets to satisfy your claim. That's not a good position for Joe to be in. Now let's look at a situation where Joe owns 51% of a company. 51% means control. That person reaching 51% of this corporation's shares can control how monies are paid, can control if they're going to sell the assets. So if you're in a corporation, you should consider what's the best asset protection vehicle for me. There's one state I mentioned that provides charging order protection for corporate shares. Meaning if you get sued as an individual, someone trying to reach the corporation's assets has to go through the charging order procedure just like they do with an LLC or an LP. In that scenario, by using the state of Nevada, it's the only state so far that provides charging order protection for corporate shares. By using a Nevada corporation, you are much better protected. And we've had a number of clients in New York and other states that don't have the charging order that have taken their New York company, merged with a new Nevada company, and then they bring the Nevada corporation back to New York to do business. And by doing that, you have the charging order protection. A lot of our clients, when they're starting new corporations, if they have to be a corporation, they will set up in Nevada and then qualify or register with the local home state to do business in their home state. So it's important to realize that we have asset protection via the charging order for Nevada corporations, but the other 49 states don't have that protection. So the question becomes, why use a corporation then? And yes, you would consider using an LLC. The LLC in a strong state, Nevada, Wyoming, Delaware, South Dakota, Alaska. In those states, the charging order is the exclusive remedy, and the charging order applies to even a single member LLC. So you will use a strong state LLC that has the charging order protection, and you can use it for your business. We like the LLC tax as an S Corp. You set up the LLC in a good state. You have it taxed as an S Corp to minimize payroll taxes, but you have the charging order protection that you need. I'm often asked what resources are available to people starting a business or investing in real estate, and we offer quite a few. I would encourage you to go to the corporatedirect.com website. That's corporatedirect.com. We have a lot of articles there a lot of resources you can access. As well, you can sign up for the newsletter, and we're keeping you informed. All of our clients are kept informed about key changes in asset protection law. So we want to make sure you're up to date on what you should be doing to protect yourself. And so go to Corporate Direct, look at the site, sign up for the newsletter, and I guarantee you'll get some great information.